Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you fix Shopify store mobile responsiveness issues or improve the mobile view. There are two methods you can use. First one is customizing your theme from the admin dashboard. For this, log into your Shopify admin panel and then click on the online store option in the left sidebar here. Then click on the customize button under your active theme here. This will open the theme customization view. Now, click on the mobile icon at the top of the screen here. Then select the section you want to edit by clicking on it. For example, if I need to edit this first section and want the text to be center aligned for the mobile view, then I need to go to the mobile layout and select the center here. Same for the second slide, I need to select this slide and go to the mobile layout and press the center here. If you switch back to the desktop view, the text is still left aligned as you can see here. Now just click on the save button here. You can follow this process for all the sections and the pages by switching the pages by clicking on here. The second method is adding custom CSS for advanced customization. If the theme customization doesn't provide the option you need, you can add the custom CSS directly to the theme files. For this, go to the online store again and then click on the three dots here. Now select the edit code option here. Then find the base.css file under the assets and open that file. Now add your CSS code at the end of the file using media queries for the mobile customization. Note, this step requires coding expertise. If you need our assistance, feel free to reach out to us at contact@apper.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others who might find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the more content like this. See you in the next video.